Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. I believe this is a replacement for my AT&T wireless router. Somehow I called the customer service, or actually they transferred me to technical support to troubleshoot why is my internet it's like a bad connection on and off and stuff like that. So the technician ran a test on their end and found out there was a problem with my modem. So they sent a replacement modem, and then I need to return it, the old one back, by dropping off the FedEx with the return paper that they emailed me. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this, and hopefully it's a brand new one, not the refurbished one, so I won't have problem in the future. So actually they overnight this package for free. Some of this bubble airbag came with this envelope. And here's how to return your AT&T equipment back to either through the UPS store or FedEx office. And use the RMA number included in this box. So yeah, be sure to return your old equipment, or else they're going to charge you with the wireless router. They were going to charge you $150 if you don't return it, and then they will give you a deadline. And then here's replace your Wi-Fi gateway before you start. So there's a simple instruction right here. Allow 20 minutes to install your gateway. Your AT&T service will be unavailable while you are replacing your gateway. Unpack your kit. Prepare to log in. Get your AT&T user ID and password. I don't think I have that though. And then here's some of the troubleshooting guide and additional information. In case you need to contact AT&T, there's an 800 number right there. So here the content that they sent. Also come with this return shipping label. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. Came with this adapter. This one's the 12 volt with the 3 amp, 36 watts. 120 volt. So it is exactly the same model as my previous one. Yeah, I think my old one was making kind of noise. So I think this one might be the new and latest one. There's a USB 1, 2, 4 of the Ethernet ports. Same as my old one over there. I'm not sure if I have the USB port right there. I gotta check it. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.